Hey guys, welcome to Emily Did It. If this is your first time here, I'm Emily. I probably did it. Excuse me. If it's not your first time here, shame on you if you don't know who this is. But Renee Suzanne, so everybody say, hey.
Hey.
You want to take a guess what we're doing today?
I don't know. It could be anything with you. You always find the coolest stuff.
People versus Mother Nature.
Ooh.
So we're not going to hold y'all. We're going to get right to it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. And let's get started right now.
Hello, everyone.
Whoa!
If you're safe or totally in control, the weather humbles you instantly. People on this compilation know that better than anyone.
Okay.
What just happened? What just happened to him?
I don't know, but we're from Louisiana, and even our hurricanes don't knock us out like, well, sometimes they do, but that was impressive.
Yeah.
So
Something
what extreme weather do y'all have by where you live? Where?
The humidity sucks in the summer, and we do get winters, well below zero, and wind chill is always a factor. And depending on where you live in relation to the lake, you if you're beyond the lake and you get lake effect snow, which is a shit ton of snow. It just snows a little, goes across the lake, and then just dumps because it picked up a bunch of condensation, a bunch of moisture across the water. So, but I've never been snowed in.
This many different weather options. Where would they need to go?
Oh, Chicago. We have some tornadoes too, just so you know. I've lived through a few of those. And I still would prefer it to a hurricane or an earthquake. I don't like the idea of fire, but really don't like the idea of the ground shaking and cracking open. The idea of that just scares the crap out of me. But we don't have earthquakes or hurricanes.
All right. Well, let's see what kind of weather they're dealing with here.
Yeah, Mother Nature.
Hello, everyone. Just when you think you're safe or totally in control, the weather humbles you instantly.
Wow.
People on this compilation know that better than anyone.
Oh my gosh.
Confidence alone won't save you.
See that?
Al Moore.
Oh, the wind. Oh, God.
He looks like a million.
He just got mad and shoved it down. Oh, my God. That's like a picnic table umbrella.
Yeah.
Oh, bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Oh.
That's some wind.
I didn't.
Look at her face.
I wasn't even trying to pause it. It just kind of.
At least she's smiling through it.
You look so happy, though. You're a happy girl.
Oh, God. Oh.
Ow.
And there's the skinny guy just stands there and picks him up.
Made it to level 4 before. If you're slightly congested, use
Oh.
level 1.
We are just
If you find yourself mouth breathing or
Alright,
snoring
guys.
at night,
I was wondering what was going to happen to his nose. Ooh. Oh, he hit his elbow on the. Oh yeah, no. Oh, that's so bad.
mm. Sometimes you get what you get. Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Of course, the video has to have one of these.
Well, yeah. It's a joy of the life to get a wedgie out, but
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
the rainbow.
Oh my gosh.
Shut the up any place, man. Shut up. Any place.
The frogs.
Oh!
No.
Did the gallon of milk? Oh, there's no gallon of milk.
She could have gone to help.
Hey,
He's going to save her?
that's a man right there. She's good to see. I love to see it. I love to see it.
He's like, I ain't going down there, but I'd love to see him save her.
He probably works out, he said. He probably works out, strong.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh!
Forgot to clear the steps. The weather's here to remind
Well,
you.
Yeah. The weather is here to remind
Yeah,
you.
she's just like, you okay? Kept moving.
Oh, see, that's like,
Nos
I
mostraron
can
y
see.
siguieron funcionando, así que agradecido con la vida y no la intenten en casa.
Oh. Her too.
That's basically how I look when I dance. Just imagine there's not a dress for me to be putting down. I'm just still.
You do a version of the Elaine. Yeah. You just don't kick like Elaine, right?
I do. I worked a
on
long
purpose.
time for that. It's a gift.
Okay.
It is. It is a blessing and a curse to have that level of talent. Don't worry.
I'll trust
You're going
you.
to come visit me soon, and I will teach you the ways of my people.
Okay.
We are the Elainites.
Elainites. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Well, that's
It's
late.
her
The
sister.
mermaid takes a little more.
She's let her
elegance
sister
than
do.
that.
Oh boy.
What's he standing on? What? There's
Concrete.
water on the other side? Why is there
Yeah.
water on the other side too? He runs from her and then goes back. He's like, "Are you okay?" Oh. That would be my children as teenagers.
I think that would be Tom Hanks.
That's totally my middle child. After his older brother and their friends set him up to it. No, God. Uh-oh. Is he gonna...
He's gonna bite it.
He's trying to put it over there. Okay. All right. All right. That worked. Now.
Whoosh!
Oh, that was a chair too, and a table. Oh, I'd be
It's
pissed.
raining when your window is down. What?
What's she doing? Come on, lady. Oh, the
The
art.
wind blew
Oh my
away her
god.
motivation to go for a walk.
Oh, my tailbone.
Yeah. Oh, brutal.
Whoop.
The door will decide for itself when it's ready to open, buddy.
We ordered too many
There's a
blankets.
Chuck Norris shed right there.
Yeah.
Rather than pay to ship them back to our
Oh my
supplier, we're doing
gosh.
something we've never.
Can't shut a door on Chuck Norris's shed. The shed closes itself.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine the injuries? Oh my gosh.
Like some Steve Irwin stuff.
Why is he trying to stand on such a thin branch?
Probably because there's somebody there he's trying to show off for. And failed miserably. Yep, that's a woman laughing. No. He looks like Mr. Tuttle from Carol Burnett.
Regular shoes should come with ice skates attached to survive in this weather.
Mm.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, you're done.
That opponent was
Oh, yeah.
way out of his league.
More blood. Don't do it.
He's going across the street. Oh, Lita fall when he gets there.
The person responsible for checking the weather forecast before the picnic never showed up, and now we know why. When the wind gets strong enough, every umbrella turns into a sail.
The timing.
Minding my own business.
There you go, honey. Ooh. See, now that's something I won't do either. Nope.
They're never gonna forget this trip. Not just because of the pictures.
Ooh.
Oh my god! Is he a metal flip in your hair? Jesus Christ! Go, Emily, you're right.
I'm here with Mr. Siegel today. Buongiorno, Mr. Siegel.
He took the microphone. Don't do it, Granny. Oh!
You hurt? Yeah.
Are you hurt? Yeah. Everything is gonna start. No! Ouch! That was fun. Oh no. Oh. As long as you don't get banged against the rocks.
Right?
As long as you don't get knocked against the rocks like that. Oh my goodness. What is...
Yeah, the beauty of the ocean really can knock you off your feet.
Ooh.
Oh, he hit him with this club. But he keeps...
At the beach, strong wind can turn anyone into a marathon runner.
Just let it go, dude. Let it go. It's like a dance routine.
Yeah.
En svo sést er gífurlega kostin á Hellisheiðinni og þessi rúta fyrir aftan mig, hún fauk út af. Engin slags. Já, engin slags.
Looks like she's a little rattled.
Word documents. That's it. I
Wow.
download them, upload them to Amazon, and collect royalties every month. No website.
Uh-oh.
Time for me to fly.
Ooh. She's like, oh, let's play.
Again.
Oh my God. No.
Oh.
Again, just let it go.
Looks like someone should have invested in rain boots instead of getting an umbrella.
Oh my gosh. The hail. Oh, wow. Nope, stay out of the arroyo.
Listen.
What is he thinking?
It's not. That would be cool.
was like, all right, I just accept that as part of the
شوي 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 شوي
left. Mm.
شوي شوي يا مصطفى وغازي شوي شوي ما شفت الملة.
The other shoy shoy.
Yeah, your other shoy. Oh, the squirrel. What's he dangling? Oh my god!
He jumped on me.
That was reflex there. That was pretty much God's will.
He's coming back. He's coming back to do it again. Oh, she's beautiful.
Are you ready for the crocodile?
Yeah.
He sounds aggravated with God. Like, really?
Like, did you really have to make such a loud noise?
Yeah. Who would have thought a ladder wouldn't stay stable on ice?
Everybody, brace yourselves. Lean forward. There's a stance for the wind. Wide-legged, one in front of the other.
Ooh, with it, walk with it. Ooh, with it.
Nope. Oh, yep, nope. Get it. Nope.
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
No. I'm sorry. No, lady. No. Ladies.
Umbrellas are great against rain and sun, but once the wind joins the fight, they don't stand a chance.
Oh my god. That might be Chicago. Windy City.
This is crazy.
Indeed.
Миша, пока.
No, lady. So close. She was so close. She's just staying there.
The ocean suddenly decided they needed to switch spots.
Oh wow.
These 100% grass-fed beef
Did they
sticks
turn
we're
over
buying
the
30 sticks for just $36 right now? But before you go and buy them, here are 5 reasons I replaced processed snacks with these.
Whoop. And yep.
At least she can laugh at herself.
What? What is he doing?
I do not know.
Well, looks like he won't see his family again until spring.
Is he trying to?
There was a vehicle. Under
Oh
it.
my god. Okay, he's moving. Oh!
Wait. I'm sorry. She had a
She's
wig.
trying to.
Or no, is that a jacket?
Nope, that was a wig.
Oh my. Does he think if he walks back there, he's going to go back to the original?
He changed his mind. He's going back to the car.
I didn't know it. Sorry, guys. They were like these two. Or, yeah.
Aw, the doggy came out to see if she was okay.
We love it how life gets in the way.
Yeah.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Except that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, she can't get in.
Oh no!
Oh, his head.
Oh, I was wondering what that was. It was like a
Oh,
humanoid.
is that their head? It's their head. They just were walking backwards.
Yeah. Right. So. Sorry, guys. I like to chime in sometimes. No.
Don't do it, lady. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't stand up, lady. Don't stand up. Just don't stand up.
Please stand up, please.
They had to sacrifice their flip-flops just to get the bike back from the puddle.
Well,
Those are the good friends laughing
right?
at them. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. At them, with them.
Uh-oh, now somebody else.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take them out.
She got out her
It's actually
phone?
a solid excuse to go back home and
Just
stay there all
proving that
day.
she fell.
I guess. Oh!
Earned it. Rock and roll! Or peace or murder.
The bird, if he's from England. Ooh. Oh, yeah, no. Oh. That's how people drown, man.
You know your outfit wins when your daily pants fit just right. Effortless, comfy, trendy, sleek, multicolor.
Oh,
What I
guys.
say, man?
We do, I feel like I gotta apologize. There's a whole nother thing happening with YouTube now, so we're getting a lot more commercials. Apologies. But so far as this video goes, please go to Renee Suzanne's channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You can do the same thing here. And we'll put the original link to this video and go check it out on their page as well.
Mhm.
So there's that.
I feel nice and safe inside in my recliner. That's
Yeah,
what
bubble
this
wrap.
video has. That is what this video has taught me, to be grateful that I am in the house in the air conditioning, sitting in a comfy recliner.
I think that's a mighty fine place to be, ma'am.
Mhm.
All right, here we go.
What I say, man? It's what do you expect? I'll tell you it's breaking. You don't listen. Come over here.
No, don't come over there.
Come this side.
Oh, no. Never run.
Usually, the walk from the car to the house takes a couple of seconds, but the wind decided to make the trip a whole lot longer.
Jesus. All I can think of is my shoulders.
Me?
This umbrella is here purely for emotional support.
Yep. Falling up the stairs.
But he's smiling.
Mm-hmm.
If he'd shown up a few minutes later, the tent would have been on another beach.
See the problems we have with winter?
Ugh, I can have that. Absolutely.
It's like a broken hip waiting to happen. And rain too. Ow. Sorry. Ow! Ow! Oh.
Even the dog ended up getting roasted by Mother Nature.
Yep, it was the steps. Does it every time. Woo! How many burly ass construction men does it take to get a cat out of a...
Yeah, that's a raccoon.
The cat sensed what was about to happen just before it did.
Cat's like, I'm out. Her jacket's all puffed out. Oh!
This usually happens right after you realize it's way too late to turn around.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, getting hit by the weather feels way more embarrassing.
Face plant in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Help me, she said.
Nice. Well then.
Ooh. Yes, Mother Nature is a beast.
Or a bitch.
Mm.
Depends
Can't
on who
tame
you're
Mother
working
Nature.
with. So
You can't fool with Mother Nature. Wasn't that a commercial?
yeah, it's not nice to fool Mother
Fool
Nature.
with Mother Nature. Yeah. What was that? What commercial was that?
Was it like a shampoo commercial? Or was it like butter? I can't believe it's not butter.
I don't know.
If y'all made it to this point, answer it for
And
us. Probably no.
yes.
And you can let us know for next time. So
Mm-hmm.
as for now, we will be heading on out of here. And we will see you. It will be on the next